NordVPN review. Hey guys, in this video we're going to review NordVPN. NordVPN is a leading virtual private network VPN service designed to enhance your online privacy and security. It encrypts your internet connection, hides your IP address, and allows access to content restricted by geography. It offers a basic plan for $3.39, a plus plan for $4.39, and a complete plan for $5.39. NordVPN offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance your online privacy, security, and overall internet experience. With over 7,800 servers in 118 countries, NordVPN offers fast and reliable connections worldwide. A single subscription covers up to 10 devices, including smartphones, computers, and routers. It offers intuitive apps across various platforms, making it easy to set up and use. Threat Protection Pro is a NordVPN feature that blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, even when you're not connected to a VPN server. It also scans downloaded files for malware to keep your device safer. To get NordVPN, choose the plan of your choice by selecting the year. After that, enter your email address, add services, and select a payment method. If you choose credit or debit card, enter the first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV, and postal code. Hit Complete Purchase button to get your NordVPN. To add it to Chrome, reach the Chrome Web Store and find it by searching for it. Lastly, you can hit the Add Chrome button to add it to extensions. However, some users report slower connection speeds in certain regions such as Malaysia. Advanced settings, like OpenVPN configuration, may not be user-friendly for beginners. NordVPN is a fast, secure, and user-friendly VPN that protects your privacy, unblocks global content, and includes powerful features like Threat Protection Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.